Okay, it's Saturday once again. We're just parked out here at SM Ecoland. We're waiting for 10 a.m. for the mall to open. Pancho, if I didn't love you so much, I'm so sleepy. And there's Pancho and Nanny Mary. Say good morning. Bonjour. Salut. Comment ça va? Va. So we're waiting for 10 a.m. for the mall to open. In, oh my, 10 minutes. I already had my oatmeal breakfast on board. Tra-la-la-la-la. So Pancho's getting dressed. Putting on his vest. Sana makabili pa tayo ng ganyan, ano? Maganda yan, ano?
Oo, maganda.
Oo, wala na eh. Yan lang ang kulay. Oh, so guwapo. Ha? Guwapo, ha? Oh. Guwapo, Pancho. Oh. Panchi! So guwapo. Ayan dito sila. Hi, Panchi!
Ano yung breed na yan, ma'am?
Mix na, ano, Scottish Fold at saka Persian. Panchi!
Nakakilala yun sa'yo.
Oh.
Dito siya nag-enjoy. Dito kami.
Enjoy. You like that? You want to ride, Pancho? You want to ride? Pancho, you like to... Papakita mo sa kanya.
Dito kami
Oh, you like that, Pancho? You want to ride?
Kanina po kami dito.
Diyan ka lang, diyan ka lang. You want to ride, Pancho? You want to ride the carousel? I want to ride. Oh, look, oh. Nice, oh.
Kanina pa kami dito. Tingin siya dyan sa ilaw.
Enjoy siya?
Tapos may hindi ito malungkot. Ano lang siya?
Nagyayabang. Arte-arte. You're maarte, baby. You're maarte. Ha? You're maarte.